Good evening to everyone. His Excellency, the Ambassador of Iran, Dr. Rabbani, scholars of Persian, dignitaries, excellencies from different embassies, ladies and gentlemen. It's my proud privilege to be present here on this august gathering of scholars who are associated with Persian language. On behalf of Federation of Indian Publishers, I am really thankful to you for inviting me on this occasion. We as Federation publish, we are a federation of, we are the apex body of publishers in the country, with major publishers of the country being our direct members, and the language associations across the country are federated to it. And we nearly cover more than 80% of publishing industry in India, and thereby we are able to present Indian publications to the entire world. And it is a proud privilege to be associated with publishing activities of Iran House here. And we recently organized Delhi Book Fair, which was virtual book fair. There also Iran Cultural House was present with us. So it has been a proud privilege having Iran with us always, and we will be more happy, we will be happier to have more and more association with Iran, and to import books from Iran, export books from India to Iran, and exchange cultures. Thank you very much.